In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick up a Walmart order and how to order an item from Walmart for pickup. To get started, open the Walmart app or go to the Walmart website, then sign in to your account. This is important because your account keeps track of your store location, your order details, and the status of your pickup. Once you're signed in, choose the Walmart store where you want to pick up your order. Make sure pickup is selected as the fulfillment method. This matters because availability can change depending on the store, and selecting pickup helps you see only the items and timing options that work for that location. Next, start shopping for eligible items. You can browse by category or use the search bar to find exactly what you need. As you shop, look for labels like pickup or pickup today. Those labels let you know the item can be collected at the store instead of being shipped to your home. When you find what you want, add the items to your cart and take a moment to review everything before moving on. This is a good time to double check quantities, sizes, and product details so there are no surprises later. After that, go to checkout and confirm that pickup is selected as your delivery method. If your Walmart store offers scheduled pickup windows, choose the time that works best for you. Picking a time slot in advance can make the process smoother, especially during busy hours. Then complete your purchase by entering or confirming your payment information, reviewing the full order, and placing it. After the order is submitted, Walmart will begin preparing it for pickup. Now comes a very important part. Wait until you receive the ready for pickup notification. Walmart may send this through the app, by text, or by email. Do not go to the store before that message arrives because your order may not be ready yet. Once you get the notification, drive to the same Walmart location you selected during checkout. When you arrive, follow the signs for pickup, online pickup, or grocery pickup, depending on the type of order you placed. Next, check in using the Walmart app. Tap check-in to let the store know you're there. In some cases, you may also be able to use a check-in link from your pickup notification. If you're using curbside pickup, park in a designated pickup spot and enter your parking space number in the app if prompted. This helps the associate find you quickly. Keep a valid photo ID available in case it's requested. And if someone else is picking up the order for you, make sure they're added as an authorized pickup person before they arrive. Finally, a Walmart associate will bring your order to your vehicle for curbside pickup or hand it to you at the pickup counter. And that's how to place and pick up a Walmart order.